Namaste. Welcome to my channel Tarot by Anjali. In this video, I will talk about a technique which I use to shift my energy from low energy to high energy level. From feeling low and depressed to feeling high and happy. What technique do I use and what technique do I suggest everyone is called water therapy. To understand this technique, please watch the video till end. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe because this will motivate me to make more videos for you. So guys, what is water therapy? In water therapy, what you have to do is when you are going to drink water anytime in the day, be it early morning or in the night or in afternoon, whenever you are going to drink water, be mindful, hold the water, look into the water and say, I am happy, I am peaceful, I am blissful. Or whatever you want to say, whatever are positive words for you, you can say to that water and then drink that water. Why do we do that? Why do we say, I am happy? And why water is so important here? Why not any other thing? Water holds our emotions. Masaru Emoto, a Japanese scientist, has done many experiments on water crystals. He said good words to the water and then crystallized the water and found the crystals were really beautiful. He said bad feelings to the water like I hate you, I don't like you, you are bad, and some bad words to the water and then crystallized the water and found that the crystals are not at all beautiful, they look ugly. So water holds our emotions. Whatever you will say to the water, it will hold the emotion. Now why water? Because we are made up of 70% water, so the water that we will drink will go and become part of our body. The emotion that it is holding will go into each and every cell of your body and it will elevate the vibrations. It will change the vibrations of your body. So, in water therapy, what you have to do, you have to take water, look into the water, hold the water, and say good words to water, and then drink water. Let's say you want to become a successful businessman. Then you can say to the water, I am a successful businessman. You can even say to water how much you earn. Like, let's say you want to make 6 figures. Then you can say, I am earning this in a month. Whatever affirmations you want, you can say to the water, and always remember to say in present tense, I am happy, I am peaceful. As these emotions indicate that it is already happening, it is the reality, it is the truth. The water will hold that emotion, it will go into your body and it will give signal to each and every cell of your body that this is so. Why cells are so important here? Our body is not only controlled by our one brain, it is controlled by our all cells. All the cells are acting as brain. Now, what is the scientific reason behind that? All the cells act as individual brain. Whatever emotions we will create purposely will lead to release of some peptides from our hypothalamus. These peptides go and bind to the cell surface receptors. All the cells of our body has cell surface receptors, and these peptides that are produced by our hypothalamus goes and binds to each and every cell surface receptors. And these cells that are getting signal from our hypothalamus in the form of peptides will get a signal that next time when it will divide, it will have that particular type of cell surface receptors to bind that particular peptide. Now let's say you are creating an emotion where you feel lost and depressed. So the peptides that will be produced by your hypothalamus will have this particular information that things are not good and you are not happy, and it will go and bind to your cells. Next time these cells divide, it will have more that type of cell surface receptors to bind more those type of peptides. And so your emotions will keep on magnifying, it will keep on increasing exponentially, and you will keep on feeling depressed because your cells are now having this information. And by doing water therapy, what we are doing, we are giving this information consciously to our cells that we are happy. So in a way we are controlling, and we are trying to change the emotions of our cells. When your cells will get the signal that you are happy, you are peaceful, it will create more and more peptides which will bind with the cell surface receptors which has this information of being happy. So next time you drink water, be conscious of what you're thinking. Don't have any negative emotions while drinking water. So guys, try this technique. Within 24 hours, you will feel the difference. And within 21 days, you will see a drastic shift in your energy level. Do let me know in the comment box if you have already tried this technique and how you have felt after that. Thank you.